Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable streamer mode on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click the user settings gear icon beside your name at the bottom left to open the settings modal. In the sidebar, scroll down and click streamer mode. The streamer mode page opens showing the main toggle at the top. Click the enable streamer mode toggle to switch it on. The toggle turns on and a purple streamer mode banner appears across the top of Discord. You can click the toggle again to turn it off if needed. Click it once more to turn streamer mode back on. When streamer mode is active, Discord automatically hides personal information like your email address and connected accounts, so they won't appear on your stream. It also disables desktop notifications and sounds while you're broadcasting, so notifications won't pop up over your stream. You can customize what gets hidden by scrolling down on the streamer mode settings page to toggle individual options on or off. The purple banner stays visible at the top of Discord as a reminder that streamer mode is currently active. You can turn it off anytime by clicking the toggle again in settings. And that's how to enable streamer mode on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.